Hello everyone, welcome to Jetway. Jetway Information established in 1986. We mainly focus on manufacturing the motherboards, the box PCs, and the panel PCs with more than 34 years of professional experience. Being a world-leading industrial PC manufacturer and designer, we began to analyze the facial recognition system since 2018. And today, here we go of our smart attendance and temperature screening system, AiSEMI 1. When you come to AiSEMI 1, it can detect your name and your temperature. And the green light will on and the door will open, then you can access. Besides, instant notifications from smartphones for checking personal data attendance. During the pandemic, wearing a mask is a must entering the public. If you are not wearing a mask, AiSEMI 1 will notice you to wear, so the users can have these settings for security. When you are having a fever and your temperature is over 37.5 degrees, AiSEMI 1 will have the red lights and you are not able to access the door. For our VIP guests, we will send a QR code on your mobile phone. When you are at Jetway, you scan it with AiSEMI 1 and the door will open. AiSEMI 1 can support multi-factor authentication, such as face recognition, temperature detecting, and whether you are wearing a mask or not. With all above features, it is a very good product for being used at the companies, factories, smart societies, schools, and hotels. Please grab your phone and we are waiting for you.